Itiahism, Itiahaiti. At a time where the Haitian literature is almost dead, contemporary writers think it's their duty to fight for renovation of Haitian letters. In search of a national identity, these poets gathered around a literary organization called Itiahaiti, or Innovation of the Territory by Active Itiahists of Haiti. The first Haitian literary doctrine of the 21st century, born of a group of committed young writers who willingly sacrificed themselves and raised their hands to say no to any injustice that occurred during their existence. Hence the doctrine of Itiahism, a literary movement that appeared on July 12, 2008, with young poets forming a literary club to do poetry and play theater in the city of Lac, South Haiti. The idea expands on social media to give birth to a literary school exalting the Haitian soil. The main purpose of Itiahaiti is to explode the clarity of a literary that draws, translates, and reflects all realities of Haiti. It promotes illicit, teachable, and original literature while advocating an innovative poetry. Itiahism believes in beautiful letters and supports associations working to the development of Haitian culture. His theorists aim to make the territory their inspirational source. Itiahists use their pen to paint their country's beauty and also focus on various facts that occur in their society. According to them, history cannot be embellished without nuances, social and societal coherences. Itiahism gleans ideas in the moral atmosphere in order to synchronize individuals with his homeland. His philosophy of self-reliance by oneself and for oneself dedicates on human being as God of his heaven and the honey of his bee to empower the true meaning of existence. His doctrine of making men and women the materials of their masterpiece binds all literary and philosophical doctrines of the centuries which question the ecstasy of surreal. The history of Itiahism is completely inseparable of Haiti, where it comes from. It synchronizes with the first independent Negro Republic in the world, the condition of an actual pirated sovereignty, and the future of a power country. His perception is purely pragmatic if any success depends only on oneself. Itiahism would surely be acceptable if it had as an immediate consequence the action of eliminating from history the intruders of the philosophies of all doctrines, their manners and customs, which, on one hand, the basis of the Haitian belief, and on the other hand, the power to globalize Haitian Creole as revolutionary language. Itiahists cannot be influenced by any other culture. They fight to promote their works everywhere in the world. Their externalizations are exerted on each faculty like spirit on flesh, and are oriented towards the right way so that they do not astray. Writers of this doctrine do not rival. These patriots are synthetic, focused, and aesthetic. They speak less and say more. This doctrine tends to defend a typical Haitian literature focused on universality. The ideal of Itiahism can be summed up in the promotion of the Haitian people while making positive progress and radical change. It is a form of militancy that is considered a weapon against the devastating powers that plunge the country into an intellectual chaos, where Haiti's sons and daughters are forced to go into exile in search of primary needs. This drives the youth, the powerful force, the energy and the seed of this ancestral land to lose interest in its own culture. Itiahists are fighters to the extreme for freedom and the scrupulous respect of the human being. For the Itiahists, defending their cultural identity is one of the winning strategies of educating and initiating the elite to save their homeland. Describing the misery of a zombie people of their period through their works and exalting the beauty of what remains good is a psychological asset to motivate this great nation and to take up his torch. Thus, these enthusiasts are alarmed to awaken poetry, restore the landscapes, sing their country, and make their pens a therapy for the traumatized and an assault against the corrupt leaders. Itiahism is neither a poem, nor a play, nor a novel either. Being creative, The Itiahists adopt their own style and are free in their works. The Itiahists do not destroy, they build. They do not just blame, but advise. They do not distort, but transform. They do not only protest, but propose new ideas. Itiahists undresses while caressing, harmonizing and perfecting in everything. Itiahism makes a hyphen between a neglected past, an alarmed present, and a new day to build the future Haitian society. Poet Wilson Talimo Lewis, leader.